from Invent with Mikky. I'm an inventor and I love to build and create things. This is an aqua jet ski boat. And my dad got this from an aqua boat hire person. And the pedals don't work, but we're going to make it work and we're going to put an outboard motor on it. And my friends and I, we're going to go on it in the lake and have lots of fun. Let's go make it. First I have to take this back off so we can put the battery in. This is a Phillips head screw and a Phillips head screwdriver. Screw number 2. Now we can lift the top off. And that's where the battery is going to be going. Put the battery in. So how we're going to attach the outboard motor, we're going to put a block of wood here, and then we're going to put a piece of wood out here. We're going to attach this bracket, like this, onto the piece of wood, and then the outboard motor will fit through this hole, and that's how we're going to connect our outboard motor. 190 millimeters. Time to cut the pieces of wood to size. Little baby skink. Ooh, look at this. And it's so cute, it runs up my arm. I just blew it off. So what we're going to need to do is put some glue on the bottom of this block. We're going to stick it down in here. And then we're going to get block number 2. We're going to screw onto block number 2. So let's glue Let's glue block number 1. I got my gun. And I'm going to do a little wave. Glue it down. Time to screw block number 2. More pre-drilling and the big screw. Time to put the bracket on. Now for the outboard. Gonna go about here. So this is a steering pole and we're going to attach it to this little rod. We're going to use wire to attach it and we've drilled 2 holes in it so we can thread it through. Good. So, my steering arm. Woo! The passengers can steer, because they'll be here, and they can help steer as well. So it's time to install the switch. I'm going to use hex screws. Okay, I'm going to strip this wire and put a spade bit on. Time to connect the outboard motor. Time to test if it works. All clear. Woo! Time to take it to the lake. So we're at the lagoon and it's time to put the battery in and then we'll take off with my brother on the back seat and I'll be driving. Woohoo!
Okay, Sam, you gonna hop on?
Okay, don't touch the stick.
Put your right leg inside that thing. Hang on, don't do anything
I rode my brother who sat on the back, and then my brother could have a turn of riding me. It was so good. Thanks for watching this video. It works really well, even though it's really windy and it's howling and it's a bit choppy in the lake. It was still lots of fun because the warm water, the water's actually really warm, would like come up along your feet and it would chop up along the water, along the boat, and it was so fun. Thanks for joining us today.